Join me as I dive deep into the world of SOFI stock and try to predict whether it can survive a market crash. In recent weeks, we've seen the stock market experiencing significant fluctuations, and SOFI stock has been no exception. As a financial technology company, SOFI has been making waves in the industry with its innovative approach to banking and lending. But with market trends being as unpredictable as they are, it's natural to wonder whether SOFI stock can hold its ground in the event of a market crash. The truth is, a market crash can be devastating for any stock, regardless of its inherent strength. Economic factors such as inflation, interest rates, and consumer spending can all have a massive impact on the stock's performance. Additionally, SOFI faces stiff competition from established players in the financial sector, which can further exacerbate the challenges it faces. With investors increasingly risk-averse, even the slightest hint of uncertainty can send stock prices plummeting. As we've seen time and time again, a market crash can spread like wildfire, leaving even the strongest companies reeling. Another major risk factor that SOFI stock faces is its relatively high valuation. With a price-to-earnings ratio significantly higher than its industry average, SOFI stock is potentially more vulnerable to sudden drops in value. Furthermore, the company's business model, which is heavily reliant on lending, makes it susceptible to disruptions in the credit market. If we do see a market crash, it's likely that lending will slow down significantly, which could have a direct impact on SOFI's revenue. In times of market turmoil, it's often the companies with strong balance sheets and diversified revenue streams that tend to fare better. Unfortunately, SOFI's balance sheet is still relatively weak compared to its peers, which could make it harder for the company to weather a financial storm. Despite these risks, SOFI as a company has been making significant strides in recent years. Its growth strategies, including the expansion into new product lines and geographical markets, have been impressive. The company's digital-first approach has allowed it to keep costs low and reach a wider customer base. Additionally, SOFI has been investing heavily in its technology infrastructure, which should help it to better navigate any potential disruptions in the market. Expert analysis suggests that SOFI's greatest strength lies in its ability to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. The company's management team has a proven track record of navigating complex regulatory environments and is well positioned to respond to any unexpected challenges that may arise during a market crash. Furthermore, SOFI's focus on technology and innovation should help it to stay ahead of the curve even in times of uncertainty. However, not all experts are convinced that SOFI stock can survive a market crash unscathed. Some argue that the company's business model is still too reliant on lending and that its high valuation makes it inherently risky. Others point to the fact that SOFI is still a relatively young company, and its lack of experience in navigating complex financial crises could be a major drawback. On the other hand, some experts believe that SOFI's unique business model and focus on innovation could make it more resilient than traditional financial institutions. They argue that the company's agility and adaptability will allow it to respond quickly to changing market conditions and find new opportunities for growth, even in times of turmoil. In conclusion, while SOFI stock does face some significant risks in the event of a market crash, its strong fundamentals and growth strategies should help it to weather the storm. As investors, it's essential to remember that no stock is completely immune to market fluctuations, and it's crucial to do your own research and stay informed about the companies you invest in. Thanks for watching, and if you have your own predictions about SOFI stock's performance during a market crash, be sure to share them in the comments below. Also, if you missed our previous video on stock market trends, be sure to check it out for more insights into the world of finance.